What is the Osteopathic Medical Board of California? The Osteopathic Medical Board of California, OMBC, is a state regulatory agency operating under the umbrella of the California Department of Consumer Affairs. It is the entity that licenses and regulates doctors of osteopathic medicine, DOs. The primary responsibility of the OMBC is to protect the public by establishing professional standards for doctors of osteopathic medicine and enforcing these standards by passing regulations, investigating complaints, and initiating disciplinary actions as needed to protect the public. Responsibilities of the OMBC are to serve as the gatekeeper and police for osteopathic medicine in the state. Its duties are split into two main categories: licensing and enforcement. First, we will discuss licensing and credentials. Before a DO can treat a single patient in California, the OMBC must verify their qualifications. This includes confirming graduation from an accredited osteopathic medical school, verifying at least 1 year of postgraduate training, residency, ensuring the passage of the COMLEX USA or equivalent licensing exams, auditing continuing medical education, CME requirements, every 2 years to ensure doctors stay current with medical advancements. Next is enforcement and public protection. If a doctor fails to meet the standard of care, the OMBC has the authority to intervene. They handle complaint investigation, including reports of gross negligence, unprofessional conduct, sexual misconduct, and substance abuse. The board can issue fines, place a doctor on probation, or even revoke a medical license to protect the public. People ask what the difference is between the OMBC versus Medical Board of California. A common question is why California has two separate boards. While both boards fall under the Department of Consumer Affairs, they govern different types of medical degrees. Theoretically, there could be one board. The two-board approach is more historical than practical. Both MDs and DOs have equal professional status and privileges in California. Despite having separate boards, both MDs and DOs are complete physicians. They can prescribe medication, perform surgery, and practice in any specialty, from pediatrics to neurosurgery. The rules and regulations for both boards are very similar, and they clearly coordinate substantially, so that patients treated by MDs or DOs have the same expectations of professionalism. Daniel Horowitz represents DOs in all matters involving the Osteopathic Board, as well as peer review, summary suspension, and other licensing matters. If you need legal assistance, call Daniel at 925-283-1863. Daniel Horowitz represents DOs in all matters involving the Osteopathic Board, as well as peer review, summary suspension, and other licensing matters. If you need legal assistance, call Daniel at 925-283-1863. If you need legal assistance, call Daniel at 925-283-1863.